Hello, and welcome to this introduction to Viewbank College's Learning Behaviour Matrix. Our matrix includes 5 key learning behaviours. Take responsibility for managing the completion of tasks, learn independently, engage positively with peers in learning, seek assistance and respond to feedback, show grit and growth. These transferable skills support students to be successful learners in any environment, including those in and out of the classroom. Students would be offered opportunities to practice these learning behaviours in each subject area. Our students will also be asked to reflect on their progress in the learning behaviours at different stages. This includes, but isn't limited to, the readiness, progress and mastery phases of a unit of learning. The Learning Behaviour Matrix aims to assist students to build and shape their understanding of what positive learning behaviours are and how they promote positive engagement in their learning. The matrix has been designed to be a step-by-step progression with 4 steps. For each learning behaviour, students will receive feedback about the step that they are currently operating at. Step 1. Trainee. Students working at this step can use these learning behaviours with direct support. Step 2. Apprentice. At this step, students are demonstrating these learning behaviours with some guidance. Step 3. Practitioner. At this step, students utilise these learning behaviours independently. Step 4. Mentor. Students operating at this step can teach or support others to use these learning behaviours. When we put the steps alongside each one of our learning behaviours, we can provide our students with an in-depth breakdown of the key skills that will support them in being able to step up in each one. Let's take a closer look at how the steps work alongside each learning behaviour. Let's use learning independently as an example. We can see that this learning behaviour is broken down further into the key skills of actively listen and be attentive, seek clarification, make connections, use learning strategies to organise my thinking. We can also see the 4 steps alongside the behaviour. By looking through the skills at each step, students can identify where they are currently, and they can also look to the next step to set goals for their continued progression in each learning behaviour. As previously mentioned, students will be receiving feedback from their teachers on their progress with the 5 learning behaviours. This feedback will appear on learning phase checkpoints across a unit of learning where feedback will be provided on 1 or 2 learning behaviours. Feedback on all 5 learning behaviours will be provided in our interim reports during terms 1 and 3 and on semester reports during term 2 and 4. If you would like access to the full learning behaviour matrix, a copy can be found attached to each learning phase checkpoint on Compass.